End of this year's savings, end of the year deals at Joe Longhammer Chevrolet. If you're looking to get a new 2024 Chevy Blazer EV all-wheel drive, you can lease it for $149 a month plus tax. It's a 24-month lease, $19.99 is due at signing. Remember, this is an ultra-low mileage lease, which means on this 24-month lease, you lease it for 10,000 miles a year, 20,000 miles total for 24 months. There is charger installation available. The stock number is 42080. All the vehicles that I'm going to talk about on this video are going to have stock numbers designated to the Pacific car because those are the ones that we got a super deal on it for 2024. End of the year sales. We have a 2024 new car, Chevy Equinox 2LT EV. The lease payment is $95 a month plus tax. It's a sign and drive. The next vehicle we have is a gas vehicle, 2025 Chevy Equinox LT. Lease it for $239 a month plus tax, 36 months, $19.99 due at signing, $1,999 due at signing. Next vehicle we have is a 2025 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 2FL. You can lease it for $189 a month plus tax. It's a 24-month lease, $1,000 due at signing. The very last vehicle I have available for you is a 2025 Chevy Trax LS. You can lease this vehicle for $156 a month plus tax. 24-month lease, $19.99 due at signing, and then it's plus tax, plus title, and dealer fees are extra. Now on these vehicles that I listed in this video, you must be a GM hourly employee. Being a GM hourly employee, you got a $1,500 rebate. Remember, if you don't qualify for this rebate that's available on certain vehicles, then you have to just come up with the extra $1,500 down. You must be in a current lease. You must also be able to qualify for a GM credit card. And if Costco is available on that certain vehicle, Costco also applies. Vehicles I talked about on this video, if you don't qualify for, or you're not a GM hourly employee, or you're not leasing a current car, or you don't have all the money down, then your payment just will be slightly higher. Remember, everything that you see is out there far as advertisement for payments are never including tax. Also remember, our job is to get you to pay attention to our video or pay attention to the ads that we run or pay attention to the advertisement that we put on paper. So remember, all the payments that I included on this video are not including tax, and it is money down. And remember, certain restrictions apply. And you don't qualify for the GM discount, or you're not a GM hourly employee, or you don't have Costco, or you don't qualify for the GM card. Remember, your payment will just be slightly higher.